BusinessJournalDaily.com 3 Minutes With is brought to you by...
At Farmers National Bank, our smallest branch just got bigger. Introducing the new, upgraded Farmers Mobile Banking app. Farmers, bigger, small banking.
It's difficult, and we try our best to educate the potential new client. They've been trained, if you will, by poor service, agents that don't understand the industry, and unfortunately they trust the standard of the industry that everything's all equal. If they buy property insurance, they have property insurance. It's all they need. It's top notch. And if they buy liability insurance, it's the best. And there's too many nuances, and it can't be done right without asking the proper questions. So it's very frustrating to meet folks that have not been properly serviced, don't understand the exposure and what could possibly happen to cost them a business that they've worked very hard to build. We find substantial things going on with policies, not proper questions asked because of lack of coverage, probably at least 75% of the time, if not more.
And this could come in the form of not even asking the proper questions, or possibly even filling out the contract wrong. One name left out of a contract, or not the proper name on the contract, or a change. How can that affect somebody's policy?
It can mean the difference between being covered and not being covered, from the right name to the proper location. Many different nuances, again, that if you don't ask the right question, you're not going to be able to cover it properly. And the buyer of insurance should never be trying to tell the agent how to go buy the insurance on their behalf. In our position, if you own a business for 30 years, you're going to buy that insurance for that company 30 times. I buy that on behalf of my clients weekly. I've got the experience. We've got the experience here at L. Calvin Jones, and that's the difference.
What sort of products are you marketing right now in terms of insurance? And tell me a little bit about the company itself.
L. Calvin Jones Property Casualty Specialists. So from the home and auto, everything that deals with that, and then to the business side, which we've been doing since 1917, that portion, agency founded in 1911. From the property, the liability, the auto, the most important thing of what we do is, I don't view it as selling insurance. I view it as counseling our customer to get what they expect to get when the unexpected happens. The biggest mistake they make is not checking the credentials of the agent and agency that they're going to choose to do business with. Most critical thing, they should interview agencies, decide who has the most education, experience, knowledge of their type of business and their own insurance industry to make both work together. That's the most critical part. If an agent is just a licensed agent and no credentials behind it versus somebody that has all the credentials, you don't pay a dime more for the highly experienced, dedicated agent and agency. The insurance company pays everybody the same.
BusinessJournalDaily.com 3 Minutes With is brought to you by...
At Farmers National Bank, our smallest branch just got bigger. Introducing the new, upgraded Farmers Mobile Banking app. Farmers, bigger, small banking.